Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcomes you all on today's class. And today we are going to start our new topic, which is comparing and ordering of large numbers. Okay, फिर से वही पढ़ना है. We have already learned the numbers up to the 9 digits in standard fourth. The same thing we have to follow here. Okay, so there first of all we will learn about the comparison of numbers, comparing numbers. Okay, so there are two cases for comparison in the comparison of large numbers or a comparing of numbers. If you want to compare the numbers, we have to follow only two rules. कितने rules है? Two rules है. कितने rules है? Two rules है. हाँ, two rules है. Okay. So the first rule is what? If the number have different number of digits. आपके पास दो नंबर ऐसे हैं जिसमें अलग अलग नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स है. एक में 10 है, एक में 5 है. So obviously जिसमें ज्यादा डिजिट्स होंगे वो बड़ा नंबर रहेगा बिकॉज वो बड़ी वाली सीरीज में चला गया है ना. और छोटा वाला जो है इट इज इन सीरीज. जो भी सीरीज है हो सकता है 1000 हो और ये वाला करोड़ में चला गया हो. सो ऑब्वियसली द नंबर हैविंग मोर नंबर ऑफ डिजिट विल बी ग्रेटर. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. The first rule is what? Number having more. Yes, number having more number of digits will be greater. ऐसा नंबर जिसमें ज्यादा number of digits है वो बड़ा रहेगा. So let's understand by taking one example. Okay, I'm taking the example 5, 5 and 5. Okay, if you want to understand anything, कोई भी चीज understand करना है इन योर लाइफ में भी, तो एग्जाम्पल हमेशा छोटे लो ताकि समझने में आसानी हो. डोंट टेक अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एग्जाम्पल. ऐसा बड़ा एग्जाम्पल स्टार्टिंग में मत लो. ठीक है. So it is, I'm taking a simple example for understanding. So I have taken a number which is 555 and another number I have which is a 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so I have these two numbers. The first one is 555 and the second one is 1111. Obviously 5 number digit, the number 5 is more than number 1, but you can see here there are 4 digit. This number is a 4 digit number and this is a 3 digit number. So obviously 1100 1111 is greater number. Yes, ये जो नंबर है वो बड़ा नंबर है because this number is going in the series of 1000. ये तो 1000 में पहुंच गया. And what about this? It is still in 100. ये 100 की सीरीज में है. तो what is happening here? If the number of digit is more, उसके उस नंबर की सीरीज बड़ी रहेगी, वो बड़ी वाली सीरीज में चला जाएगा. So what is happening? The number having more number, that means what does it mean? The number having more digit will be greater. So this will be greater. Same thing we have to follow. Okay, and this rule we have to follow. If the number have डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट, दोनों में अलग अलग नंबर ऑफ डिजिट है, वहां पर इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, वहां हम लोगों को सिर्फ इतना ही ऑब्जर्व करना है. वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व ओनली वन थिंग. इफ द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इज मोर, नंबर इज ग्रेटर. खत्म, बस. So I'm taking another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So that is the 7-digit number. And again I'm taking a number 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. कितने हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. Now this is a 7-digit number. जो भी नंबर पता नहीं हमको, बाद में देखेंगे. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ 8-digit नंबर. आई नो दैट यू कैन रीड द नंबर, बट अभी हम लोगों को सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ डिजिट से मतलब है. ठीक है. ओनली वन थिंग्स मैटर. इफ द what is the matter? If the number have more number of digit, that will be greater. So you can see here it is 7-digit number and it is a 8-digit number. So obviously this number will be greater. Bas. Okay. Same thing. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, हो गया. कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a 7-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. We don't have to read the number. उसको read भी मत करो. बस. This is greater number. Done. First rule understand. Number having more number of digit will be greater number. Understood? Now let's move towards the second rule. And what is the second rule? If the number have equal number of digit, इसमें भी 5 ही digit है, इसमें भी 5 ही digit है. Now how can we compare? Because the first rule is only saying that, what is the first rule? जिसमें ज्यादा वो बड़ा. But now we are taking a number having equal number of digit. दोनों number में equal number of digits रहेंगे. ठीक है? Okay? हाँ, तो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट वाले एग्जांपल लेना है. सो इन दिस So what we have to do here? अब यहाँ क्या करेंगे? Let's understand by taking one example. First example I'm taking here, and this is 2, 2, 3, 5, and that is 2, 2, 1, 5. Okay. I have taken the I have taken the first example, and in this first example, I have taken the two numbers. The first one is 2235, and the second is 2215. अब देख के ही पता चल रहा है कि भाई साहब ये बड़ा है. Yes, this number is greater. But suppose the same number is here. I'm taking a large numbers. You have to follow these rule in large number also. वहां पर भी वही करना है, ठीक है? So what we have to do here? We have to start comparing. Okay, you can see here. Both the numbers have same number of digits. Yes, both number have same number of digits. So what we will do here? We will start comparing the digit of higher places. बड़े places के digit को start करो compare करना. Up to till they differ. Up to till what? दोनों के दोनों जब तक अलग अलग नहीं आ जाते. ठीक है? So let's. Okay. So this is 2 at the 1000 place. This is also 2. Now you can see that digit at the 1000 place of both the numbers is 2. तो अब हमारे कोई काम का नहीं है. हाँ, we can't compare the number. दोनों के दोनों equal है. Yes. Now let's move towards the 100 place. Here is 2. Here is also 2. Again, both the digits are same at the 100 place. अभी भी हमको पता नहीं चला. Okay. Now here is 3 and here is 1. Yes. Now we found the digit which is differ. अब दोनों अलग अलग है. Now we know that 3 is greater than 1. And we have to copy this symbol. यही symbol उठा के यहाँ लिख दो. बस. Done. This number is greater. Similarly, I'm taking one large numbers. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and I'm taking here 0, 1, 2. गड़बड़ हो गई. Wait a minute, huh? 0, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. Okay. Now here is a number. Now you will say that. Wait a minute, huh? First of all, start count the number of digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ 6 digit है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also have 6 digit. Yes, na? It is a 6 digit number or not? First of all, tell me. It is a 6 digit number? No, it is not a 6 digit number. It is a 5 digit number, because if the 0 is in the beginning of number, किसी भी number के सामने 0 लगा दूंगा. It is meaningless. कोई मतलब ही नहीं है उसका. Yes. If I am writing a thousands of 0 in front of any number, it is meaningless. Yes, it is not a 6 digit number. ऐसा कर मत देना, तो आंसर wrong हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So don't compare. Okay, both the numbers have the different number of digits. So this number is greater because what? It is a 6 digit number, but it is a 5 digit. But the second one is a 5 digit number. So obviously this number is greater. Okay, the first one is greater. But if I'm writing like this, now both the numbers have 6 digits. Yes, dear students, both the numbers have a 6 digit. दोनों में 6 digit आ गए. Now we have to compare which number. We have to compare these two numbers, and we have to find that which number is smaller and which one is greater. कौन सा बड़ा है, कौन सा छोटा है. So start comparing the digit at the higher place. बड़े places के digit को compare करना start कर दो. Here is 5. Here is also 5. Okay. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. It is 5 lakh. That is also 5 lakhs. It is what? 6 is on 10,000 place. 6 is on 10,000 place. Both are same. कोई काम नहीं. 7. 7 is at the 1000 place. Here also 7 is at the 1000 place. So it is 5,67,000. It is also 5,67,000. Both is equal. अभी तक दोनों same ही है. Now here at the 100 place there is 8. At the 100 place there is 8, and here at the 100 place there is 9. So obviously we know that the number 9 is greater than number 8. So obviously that number will be greater. ये number जो है वो greater रहेगा. Now listen carefully one thing. This symbol, we have the two. Yes, हमारे पास 3 symbols है. Yes, this is first, this is second, and this is थर्ड कौन सा सिंबल है ये? इट इज लेस देन, इट इज ग्रेटर देन, इट इज इक्वल टू। दैट मीन्स बोथ द वैल्यू, बोथ द नंबर्स हैव इक्वल वैल्यू। नाउ ये जो पॉइंट है, ओके, दिस सिंबल हैव अ शार्प पॉइंट, तो शार्प पॉइंट विल बी टूवर्ड्स द स्मॉलर नंबर। ये जो सिंबल का शार्प पॉइंट है ना, दिस पॉइंट विल बी टूवर्ड्स द, ये किस साइड रहेगा? छोटे नंबर की तरफ रहेगा। एंड द माउथ ऑफ दैट सिंबल, माउथ will be towards the greater number. Okay, so this is greater one, so I will write like this. ठीक है? Okay, I hope you understand about these two rules. The first rule is what? Number having more number of digits will be greater, and the second one is if the number have equal number of digits, then you have to start compare from left hand side. That means you have to compare the digit at the higher place until they differ, जब तक वो अलग अलग नहीं आ जाते। ठीक है? And then you can understand which number is exactly greater. If you want to write, you can write, and if you don't want to write, don't write anything. Okay, I will send the PDF. Okay, so let's move towards the next topic, which is the ordering of large numbers. Okay, you have to follow the same rule in large number also. ठीक है, वहां पर भी यही rule follow करना है, कोई नई चीज नहीं है। Okay, let's move towards the next topic, which is the ordering of large numbers. Okay, so now let's move towards the next topic, which is the ordering of large numbers. Okay, so I'm taking the question from your exercise. This is the question from your exercise. Okay, so in this question there are four numbers. Okay, and these are four large numbers, and we have to write these numbers in ascending order. ठीक है, हम लोगों को ये चारों नंबर ascending order में लिखना है. So first of all, always remember that what is meant by ascending order, which is the increasing order. Increasing order, increasing order. That means first of all we write the smallest number, then slightly greater, then greater, then greater, and then greatest number. ठीक है, छोटे से बड़ा नंबर जाना है. That is a ascending order. And what is a decreasing order? Decreasing order is a descending order. That means first of all we will take a large one, then small, 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 and then the smallest number we will write. Okay. So now we have to write these four numbers in ascending order. So first of all we have to understand which one is smallest number and which one is greatest number. सबसे पहले तो ये देख लो सबसे बड़ा कौन सा और सबसे पहला सबसे छोटा कौन सा है। ठीक है, हियर वी हैव ओनली फोर नंबर्स, सो इट इज सो सिंपल। ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो द टू रूल्स। द फर्स्ट वन इज number having more number of digits will be greater, and the second is if the number has equal number of digits, we have to start comparing from largest place. That means highest place से compare करना है। Okay, so अभी हमको पता नहीं चल रहा है, so what we will do, first of all just separate the digit using the commas, then you will understand. So then you can quickly recognize the number, तभी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि exactly which number is written here. Okay, it have three commas, that means it is in crore series, it is also in crore series, and yes, it is in lakh series, a lakh की series में, because it have only two commas and two commas are separating only three periods. Yes ना, उसको बीच में से कट आउट करूंगा तो दो हिस्से होंगे। यस, और दो जगह से कट आउट करूंगा तो तीन, you will get three pieces. So when I am writing the comma, what is happening, the number is separated. Yes, उसके तीन हिस्से हो गए। Now we know that these three digits are in first period, it is in second period, and it is in third period. So it is in ones period, it is in thousand, and it is in lakh. So obviously this number is in lakh. ये lakh से शुरू होगा। ठीक है, now here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you understand what we have to do. First of all, write the commas if the commas are not there. Okay, so now we know that this number is in lakh series, this number have less number of digits, ये सबसे छोटा है। Take it ascending order. Okay, I am writing only A here, so it is 77 lakh 98,422. Now the rest of the three numbers are in the series of crore, जा चुका है करोड़ में, हाँ, and I think all have same number of equal number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it is also 8-digit number. All the three numbers are, बचे हुए तीन numbers is what, same number of digits are there. So now we have to compare the numbers. Okay, how can we compare the numbers? By comparing the digit at the higher place. सबसे बड़े place पे 6, at the crore place there is 3, and here is 9 काम ही खत्म हो गया. Okay, so write down this one. 3 crore 84 lakh. There is, there is, it is not a digit. That means no. अब यहाँ पे 1000 है ही नहीं तो जान दो. We will not read 1000. It is 3 lakh 84,000 84 lakh 3 crore 84 lakh 316. 3 crore 84 lakh 316. Okay. Then we will write this number. Okay. Because 3 is less than 6 and 6 is less than 9. Okay. Okay. So we will take this one, which is a 6 crore 46 lakh 29,117. And then the last one, and which is 9 crore 1 lakh 610. Okay, so in this way you can write the numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order कैसा होता है? Like this. This is your ascending order. Okay, if you are moving from smallest to greatest, which is the increasing order, that is ascending order. Okay, I'm writing only A. Okay, that is your increasing order, or you can say increasing order. Okay, and what is the decreasing order? Which is a descending order, like this. So that is your descending order, which is a decreasing. Okay, whatever it is a decreasing order. You understand now? Okay, I will send the PDF. Okay, don't write anything. I hope you understand about the topics. And if you want to write the same question in the descending order, what you will do? We have to take a greatest number first. ठीक है, सबसे बड़ा नंबर पहले लेंगे. So बस इस order का reverse order लिख दो. Then you will get the descending order, which is a decreasing order of the number. Okay, so I hope you understand about the topic ordering and comparing of large numbers. Okay, इससे जुड़े हुए जो भी questions हैं in the exercise, that means in the exercise there are some questions based on this topic, so you can solve these questions and try करो solve करने का. If it is wrong, I will tell you. Okay, have a good day and bye bye. Thank you for watching the video up to till now. Have a good day.